It starts with a single drop. A moment. An idea. A passion. But like all drops, it doesn't remain alone for long. 150 years ago, a small group of sailors came together with a shared love for the water. What began as a single drop soon became a ripple, a wave, spreading across the sea. Since 1875, the Royal Yachting Association has been the anchor for our community, setting the standards and nurturing a love for the sea that spans generations. Our boats may have changed, our knowledge may have deepened, but the water remains constant. Over the last 150 years, we've navigated change, always helping you move forward with your boating. From slow cruising on canals, to fast-paced foiling, from racing to socializing with friends and family, and from the first Olympic sailing events in 1900 to the gold medals of today, we've helped you explore the boundaries of what's possible on the water. And we're not finished yet. We're continuing to build a connected, inspired, and inclusive community to bring more people to boating. The water will witness our boldest dreams, our greatest innovations. It will remain our partner as we strive to preserve and protect it for generations to come. 150 years of history, passion, and innovation in the same water that continues to inspire us today. From a single drop to a boundless ocean, our journey continues as we continue together on water.